Hey there, welcome back to Blender. Now let us move on with the mirror modifier. So what does the mirror modifier basically do? Sometimes when creating a complex shape, you would want it to be symmetrical either side of the center line. The mirror modifier is a very useful tool for achieving this. Let me demonstrate this with a default object. We'll go to Properties, choose Add Modifier, and we'll select the mirror modifier. Now after selecting mirror modifier, all you have to do is just make a change in shape of object. Checking this box shows that the object will be mirrored only in x-axis, and if you want it to be symmetrical in y or z, you can select those axes, and even you can multiple axes. So let us make a change in this. We'll go to edit mode. I will select this face, and let us first make change in y-axis. Can you see? When I move this face towards the positive y-axis, the same moves in negative y-axis. The same we will repeat with x. You see how they are getting cloned. Now let us repeat this with z. You see how we created such an awesome structure within few seconds, and this was even possible with extrusion, but it would have taken us a lot of time. So you know how modifiers work. They basically save our time when we create complex objects. Now if you want to see how it would look like if I unchecked axis one by one, suppose I just don't want it to be mirrored across the z axis. I'll deselect z. You see, now it would look like this. Now if I remove the y axis, it would look like this, and at last the x axis. This is the actual object that we created. Now we'll mirror it again. In x axis it would look like this in y axis, and like this in z axis. So this is how mirror works. I would recommend you to practice mirror modifier more, as this will help us to create a lot of complex objects.